Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Destiny here. Happy New Year, honey. Yes, I am here today with a favorites video. My favorites of 2018. I know it's a little late. We're a couple weeks into 2019, but I did want to go ahead and share some of my favorite products. I'm going to start from the bottom of my face up, from primer all the way to powder. If you'd like to see a tutorial for this look, I will be putting it on Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead over there and follow me, and then a little bit later this week I will have the full in-depth tutorial on Patreon. I will have my link to Patreon in the bottom. But let's go ahead and jump into this video because I know you guys don't got a whole bunch of time, and I know you guys probably seen about a billion of these. So now you're gonna see a billion and one. Okay, so first of all, I want to start out with two primers. One you guys should already know, and that is definitely from Makeup Forever. I absolutely love Makeup Forever as a brand. Their complexion products are bar none. Some of my first Makeup Forever videos were way back in 2010, so I'm definitely very confident when I speak on their products, and this primer is amazing. Sometimes I combine the two. Well, the second one I have is from Lancome right here, and this is the Prep and Matte, and I really like this because this prepares your face and allows the makeup to last longer, whereas the Makeup Forever really mattifies your skin. So a lot of the times I'll use this all over. It does give your face a hydrated yet tacky feel and make sure makeup really adhere, and then I'll use the Makeup Forever in the center. I'll have links to both of these products if you're interested. From primer, I have to go right on to foundation, and you guys already know my long-time permanent favorites such as Lancome, Makeup Forever, honey. I have two new brands that I've been using toward the end of 2018 faithfully. This one right here, this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, is a drop foundation. If you watch my tutorials, you guys know that I love drop foundations. They're highly pigmented. You don't need a lot, and they wear very well in warm weather, and this one in particular showed out. I went to Costa Rica with the brand Tarte, and this is where I really definitively said, okay, this is a bomb foundation. Followed by that, I have one that's been highly recommended from you guys, and that is from Estee Lauder, and this is the Double Wear. This is absolutely amazing. Beautiful coverage. The colors in this line, in this range, are awesome. In this range, I am 7W1 Deep Spice. It wears so well. It has like a mattifying finish. This is something, if you have oily skin or if you live in a warm climate, that you definitely have to give a try. Another foundation that I absolutely positively have to mention is the NARS, and this is their Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. The colors that I am are Namibia and New Caledonia. I can use either of the two and probably a couple more colors. That's one thing I love about NARS and I love about this range. There's a big, wide range, and I can probably wear like 5 or 6 colors, and as a dark-skinned woman, that is really impressive. Honorable mention to NYX or NYX, however you want to say it. They also have a really great line that I actually took part in. I was the face of one of their colors. I'll probably do a separate video on that, but that's also a great range. But this NARS, definitely have to check it out. It wears well, they have a great color range, and I just absolutely love the formula and the way it looks on my skin. Okay, so I definitely have to mention these two face concealers. I actually use these as foundations. These are the multi-use sculpting concealers. The colors that I absolutely cannot live without are Mahogany, Cocoa, Toffee, and Chestnut. I love the formulation on these. I love the plastic bottles. I love the size. I love the applicator. They are concealers, but I do use them all over. They are long wearing. They wear great in the heat, and they're just super handy to have. You guys know that I love foundation, so I did have quite a few favorites. Last but not least, I have to show you guys the AJ Crimson Artist Kit. I absolutely love this foundation. It wears well. He has such a wide variety of colors, from very pale, light to medium, medium dark, and very deep dark. I absolutely love AJ Crimson. We actually had a chance to work together. He is one of the sweetest people that I've ever met. If you're looking for some foundation for your kit, you definitely have to check out his brand. Okay, so from foundation, I have to jump directly into powder. I get a lot of questions about powder, and I have a million videos about this subject, but I'm definitely loving right now Dermablend Illuminating Banana. I've always loved Dermablend. I love Cool Beige and Warm Saffron. Now they've introduced an Illuminating Banana, and I like to mix Ben Nye Topaz into the whole mixture just to create a medium tone. I've been wearing it a lot lately, and I honestly think that it is my favorite combination. It's my favorite BBC. If you don't know what that means, you're probably new here. Welcome. And if you do know what that means, it's when bad bitches collab. Welcome back. And I absolutely love this combo. It makes my foundation wear longer. It takes the powder, it takes the oily look from my face and really calms down my pores. You guys know that I also love IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. The illuminating effect of this powder is like just beautiful. If you don't have this, check it out. I'll have the links in the bottom bar. A phenomenal BBC, that's all I'm gonna say. One of my favorite contour powders, and I get asked about this all the time, is NYX, and this is their Hydra Touch foundation, and the color is Deep Espresso. If you're my tone and even a little bit deeper, this is going to be a great contour powder for you. It's dark, it's a little bit of more of a cool representation of a dark tone, and I really feel like contours should be cool. I feel like shadows are cool. The sun is warm and the shadows are cool. Your highlight is warm and your contour is cool. So I absolutely love that powder. It's matte, it's soft, it's finely milled, it blends easily into your skin, and it's just a great color for dark skin. I quickly wanted to talk about a couple of eyeshadow palettes that I've really been liking this year. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll note that I've been using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette a lot. I definitely think that this is a great palette. This, as well as the Tarte Pro palette, I feel have a great mixture of mattes and shimmers. It has a whole bunch of really great contour and crease colors, lid colors. I feel like this is a great palette to use. I feel like you don't really have to incorporate any other palettes when you use this. I feel like the colors work together, they blend well, and it's just a great solid palette. Solid, easy to use, you don't have to think too hard, and it has a really, really great wide mirror as well. Some other palettes that I've absolutely positively been loving are the Smashbox Cover Shot palettes. There are so many different arrangements of colors, shimmers, highlights, glitters, the warm palette, a cool palette, bright oranges, all different types of primary color palettes. I've really been a fan of these for 2018. Well, I was gonna say 18 and 19, 17 and 18. These are actually really great. I will have some of my favorite cover shots linked below, as well as hopefully some videos where I used them. Some of my favorite brushes. I'm gonna close the video out with brushes because I have a couple more categories, but I'll just do a part 2 to this video. I don't want to make this video too long. You guys know that I've been absolutely positively loving the Smashbox brushes. If I didn't mention these, it would just be a lie. It would just be a lie. Every video nearly of 2018, I probably used these Smashbox brushes. Some of my favorites are the fluffy crease brush and then the detailed highlighting brush. I absolutely love. I also love that lash tool brush, and I'll probably try to insert a picture or something because it's not here with me, but you guys know what I'm talking about. And every time I use it, you guys are like, oh my god, here it is right here. Yes, you guys love this. Every time I use this, you guys are like, what is that? And it's a lash tool brush, and it works really well. And it's just definitely one of my favorite tools from that set. Another brush company I've absolutely been loving is Royal & Langnickel. Royal & Langnickel is a brush company that I discovered in Michaels years ago, and they're going strong. They have so many different brands. They have Moda, and they have their, what is that, Optimum brushes coming. They have a lot of brushes. If you don't follow them on Instagram, you should go check them out. No promo, I'm just saying they have some great brushes and great prices, and I'll have more information in the bottom bar if you guys are interested. I want to go ahead and wrap this video up. I'm gonna try to keep it as short as possible, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what some of your favorite products are for 2018. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, it's free. If you're not new to my channel, welcome back. I will have another video kind of explaining my place here on YouTube and what's gonna go on and what's gonna not and everything like that, but I didn't want to weigh that video down with a whole bunch of stuff from last year. I hope you guys are having a good year, and I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I want to thank you so much for commenting, rating, and subscribing. I'll be in touch, and hopefully you'll do the same.